Hey everybody, happy new year. We are in 2018 now. What's going on? This is Missybeelondon here. If you're new, this is my channel. I have 3 channels, but I'll say I keep 2 of them active. I've got this channel here which I do beauty reviews, talks, chit chats and stuff. My other channel will be my hair channel, which it's not going to plan right now, but hopefully in February I have many hair videos on there, like how I created this style once I do the video for it. But yeah, I just wanted to say hello. It's been a while since I've done face-to-face videos because I've been very busy in December and we are in January now, but I thought let me try and get some out, so to say. So I thought I'll do a YouTube tag video. Yeah, get to know me, tag, question, video. So I'll just go through them. I'll make sure I look at the time. Yep, and I'll go through it right now. Are you named after anybody? My YouTube name, not that I know of. My real name, maybe a popular singer or someone, but no one that I really personally know, so to say. When was the last time I cried? Last time I cried must have been last year, maybe December or November. I can't really remember when because I'm so busy and tired. I don't really have much time to cry, but I guess I need to cry now and again, but yeah, don't remember. Do I have kids? No kids for now. Do I want kids? I don't know, because time is ticking on me, and you know, the older you get, the harder it is, I'm guessing. I don't know. The next question: if you were another person, would you be a friend of yourself? Of course. I know how I am, and if I was no person, of course I'd be friends with myself because, yay, I'm nice to be around. Do you use sarcasm a lot? Yes, I use it a lot, as in it's a sense of humor. It's a way to get things out when I'm frustrated about stuff, and it's just how I am. If you're around me, you'll hear my sarcasm a lot, or it'll be a thing that I just use it when I'm watching TV shows and stuff like that. So yes, I do use a lot of sarcasm, but I try not to in videos because, or unless I just can't be bothered, that's just when it comes out, because yep, that is me. What's the first thing you notice about people? When I see them for the first time, it will be like how they act, how they talk, just observing them, because I like to observe things before I actually approach, so to say. So maybe just watching how they are and observing. Yep, that's what I think, and that's what I think I do. What is your eye color? My eye color is brown, dark brown, not that nice color brown that Ghanaian men have. Hey, but yeah, normal brown color. The next question says scary movie or happy ending. Oh, I get it now. I think happy ending. Scary movie, yeah, it's good. Happy endings is like nice, so I'll say happy ending. Favorite smells, I will say sweet smells. I was thinking of other smells, but because I like sweet smells, but then it has to be certain stuff. Like if it's a body lotion, then maybe not, because it would be like I'm smelling this smell all the time. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry because I can smell this lovely smell. So yeah, it'll just mess around my brain, so to say. But yeah, I like sweet smells, like cakes and certain sweets and stuff as well. What is your, oh, what's the furthest you've ever been from home? Well, it was a European country many years ago, and that was Italy. I don't really travel much. I guess I plan to travel this year, but I just got to see how this year works out. So anyone got a free ticket, plane ticket, travel anywhere? I've got a passport. Yeah, let me know. Now that was sarcasm. Or that is just me, how I am sometimes. So yeah, that's me. Do I have any special talents? Not that I know of. I'm just basic me. This is me talking in front of the camera. Got my phone here with my questions on it. I wish I had special talents, but yeah, no special talent that I can really say that I can do in parties and whatever. And yeah, look at my trick, look at my trick. No, that's not me. I would like to be a comedian, but I think it's a bit, if you can't think jokes just like that, it's a bit, no one's gonna laugh. So you gotta make your jokes catchy and all that stuff, and I can't do that yet. It's a lot of brain work and my brain is slow. So yeah. Where were you born? Where was I born? I was born in London, UK, London City, hence why I put the Missybeelondon in my name, because I'm a London woman, London gal, so to say. But yeah, London. What are my hobbies? My hobbies right now, I have to put in watching YouTube videos, because that is what I do. Listening to music, catching up on my TV shows, going to networking events, catching up with my friends, catching up with my family, watching movies, singing home in my bedroom, you know, singing to songs in my bedroom. Yep. Next question, because I'm looking at the time now. Do I have any pets? No. Do I have any siblings? Yes, I do. Yeah, that's yes, I do. What do you want to be when you grow up? Well, I've only grown up yet, and I suppose what I was thinking when I was young, which was I wanted to be in the army, because the army is good money. But reality is, or reality was after that, you know, you might die when you're in the army. So it's like, scrap that. I wouldn't say I'm doing what I really want to do, but I guess I am working towards what I really want to be and want to do right now, because I've still got life in me. I've got no kids stopping me, so to say, so I really got to enjoy my freedom while I can. So I'll leave that question and come back to it another time, as in later on, so to say. Who was your first best friend? It was in primary school, or it might have been in nursery. I think she was Yasmin, or that was nursery, I think. And in primary school, I think that was like Yasmin or Leah. Yasmin, you know who you are. Leah, we kind of lost contact, so yeah. How tall am I? I am 5'5". I don't know, back in the days I was 5'6", but somehow I've shrunk. So yeah. Funniest moment through school, I can't really remember. Many years ago. Brain is bad, yada yada yada. There has been many fun times in school. I suppose it might have been like, you know, when you used to like bunk from school and like go out with your friends, so to say. Them times when you have fun outside, so to say. Even though I should be in school, and yes, that's just happened. I can't believe that has just happened. I'm still doing this video. I can't take away how things are just going funny right now, and it's like, yeah, I'm still doing it, even though the backdrop's nearly dropping down on me. But yeah, I can't believe it. What is your favourite drink? My favourite drink, don't have a favourite drink. I like fizzy drinks. KA brand, you know, cola, champagne. Fruit one, yeah, you know what, just say fizzy drinks or water. Water's the best one, because water is healthy and water is good for you, so just say water. Favorite animal, don't have a favorite animal, but I will say if I had to pick between a cat and a dog, I will say a dog, because I think they're more dependable and more reliable. But cats are, yeah, they're selfish. Yeah, I don't like cats. Cats are nice, you know, to look at, yada yada yada, but yeah, they're selfish. What would you or have you named your children? Well, I've not got children yet, and I'm guessing when I do, it will be a thing like the names in my head and the names that I see when I see the baby, boy or girl, I don't know. I will just create it from there, so no name for a child yet. What sports do you play or have you played? I don't play sports. The last sports activity I did, that's not even a sport activity, it's like a fitness activity, which is Zumba last year. Don't do anything else apart from that. Who are some of your favourite YouTubers? There's many. The ones that are watching this video, yeah, you're my favourite YouTubers. If I drop names, yeah, people will say, oh, why didn't you drop my name? Or why didn't you drop my name? And it's like, you know what? Whoever's watching this video, you know who you are, because I leave comments on your videos, I watch your videos, yada yada yada. So I'll just take it from there. How many boyfriends have I had? You know what? On that first time now, there you go. How would you describe your fashion sense? My fashion sense is most of the time casual. Yeah, casual most of the time. I've only got a few nice stuff, and to be honest, I've got so much things in my closet, wardrobe, that I don't wear. But I think, yeah, I'm gonna wear that one day, but that thing is still hanging there, so I'm gonna have to take them out, charity shop, family, relatives, whoever want it, but I've got to go through and like really chuck them out, because if it's been 2 years they've been hanging and I've not worn them, yeah, they've got to go, because they're taking up space. And like I said, it's a thing, maybe get rid of the old and bring some new. I need a fashion stylist here to sort me out. I'm a plus size woman, hence why I find it hard. This was not planned. Hence why I find it hard sometimes to buy clothes, and I'm losing some pounds here doing my new job, and it's like, what shall I do? Because if I continue with the job, I'm going to continue losing pounds, and if I'm buying clothes now, then I'm going to lose more weight again, and then I have to buy more clothes again. So it's like, you know what, I am planning a fashion haul video, but I'm going to have to think maybe February or March, because I'm guessing my weight will be more stable then. So yeah. What phone do you have? I have many phones. I have a phone that I do YouTube videos on. This right now I'm using the camera, because yeah, I'm gonna figure out sending the video from the camera to the phone. So yeah, Android and iOS. Have I got a bad habit? Yes, I've got many. I zone out very quickly, I get bored very quickly, I'm very sarcastic, I've got a short temper, patience is very low sometimes, but hey, I'm being honest here. What can I say? Like I'm saying, old age, slow brain, all those things kind of. But yeah, I finished with the questions now. I don't know if you enjoy this or not. I don't know if you're gonna laugh more at this stupid backdrop dropping behind me. I can't believe that happened. That is just so, that's why I had to laugh and continue, because I know if I stopped it I would lose momentum, and then it would be like, will I do this again? It's like, you know what, it could have been worse. So I take it from there. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to ask me any questions, get to know me a little bit more. Oh yeah, I didn't say this is my 1 year anniversary of YouTube as well, so yay. So yeah, like I said, you want to ask me any questions, leave them in the comments box. I had to remember, that's what I'm saying about a slow brain, see? Give me a thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, show some love, you know what to do. And I'm laughing, I just can't believe it. Yeah. And I'll see you in the next video, and I'm sorry that it was a bit long, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. So